to the grade 8s. I'm on page 60, task 2, the CPJ of Stranger Things Pest Control. Okay, it's a service business and they're controlling all kinds of pests like, for example, termites or mice or whatever the problem might be. They are there to control these pests. Okay, so the reason why we need to know that is because it's going to help you with some of the classification of specific accounts if you know what kind of business this is. Okay, and the fourth, check 001 was issued to pay Hawkins Stores 20,700. This was for equipment costing 18,000 and stationery. Okay, so the check was for 2,700. 18,000 of that was equipment and 2,700 was stationery. Okay, so the check number was 001. So I'm just going to go down a bit to look at the answer, and you will see that check counterfoil number 001, day 4, the person or the payee is the person that you are paying, and it's 20,700 in the bank. So the check amount was 20,700, but now you need to remember that that 20,700 consists out of 18,000 equipment and 2,700 stationery. Because there's no column here for equipment or stationery, we have to put it in the sundry accounts column right at the back. So you basically leave a line open to put the two accounts at the back. Okay, that was the fourth. The 17th bought pesticides from the Duffer Brothers, okay, at 8,000 Rand and paid by check. Okay, so it's day 17. Okay, check 002, it's the first one after 001. Okay, it's the Duffer Brothers. So I'm just going to add the Duffer Brothers, 8,000 Rand in the bank, and because it's pesticides which they use in their pest control business, it's called consumable goods, that they use that up every single day in their business. Okay, so that's the 8,000 Rand. Then on the 25th, paid the weekly wages by check. If it's by check and it's wages, then you write cash in the name of payee, and it's for wages. So just looking at that. Okay, so it's the 25th, check counterfoil 003, we write cash, 4,500 in the bank and 4,500 in wages. Then on the 25th, we've got the owner, Will Byers, cashed the check and paid Telkom for the following. So you pay Telkom, it's one check. The check, if you add it together, you will get 1,200 Rand. That's paid to Telkom. So the check at the bottom will be C004. Sorry for that. It's Telkom that you're paying to 1,200, and then telephone goes to the back because it's sundry accounts. That's a specific expense for the business. And remember, the personal telephone account is not for the business, and that's called drawings. So you will find it there, drawings, 500 Rand at the back in sundry accounts, and telephone 1,200. And then lastly, on the 30th, issued a check to Polywalk Insurers and payment of insurance premium 3,000 Rand. So you write at the bottom, check counterfoil 005, the 30th, Polywalk Insurers, 3,000 in bank and 3,000 at the back in sundry accounts, which is called insurance. Okay, and then lastly, we add all the totals together, and these three accounts together will, give me the 37,400, which is the same as the bank account. Alright, so that was question or task 2, page 60.